In the name of God, I, Saul Lee, take you, Michelle Han, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we are parted by death.
하나님의 명령을 따라 오늘 이 약속을 지키기로 하나님과 여러 증인들 앞에서 굳게 다짐합니다.
아멘.
I just want you to know that you're acquiring a gem, and we expect that our gem be taken care of from now on. I've never seen her smile brighter. I've never seen her eyes light up the way they do when she talks about you. So I know she's in good hands, and I'm trusting you with my best friend. And so I appreciate you for loving her just as she is, and I appreciate that. I know that this is just the beginning, and I know that you're going to get better. And I just can't wait to see that.
Let me tell you something about him. He is none of those things that B just said about you. But he does have a good golf swing, and he can drink a lot, so that has to count for something, right? Anyway, loyal. He's a good friend. He's a good little brother. I've seen him struggle. I've seen him depressed, working hard, thriving, but not until he met you. I've seen him so happy. So please, everyone, let me join me in raising our glasses.